Here, you'll notice a new media tab. Click on it. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the source of your images. I'll select the device option and click Continue. Now, upload the prepared zip file and the CSV file. I'm uploading the zip file I prepared earlier. Here, you can choose the specific images you want to import. I'll select all images by clicking here. Next, I upload the CSV file. Ensure the Fresh Import option is selected. Perfect. Click Continue. In the Mapping section, you'll map the import file fields to your media library fields. All fields are selected by default. In the Manage Media Upload section, you have several options for handling duplicate images. Select Use Media Images if already available. The import process will begin. Click the Import Log button to download a CSV file listing media details. If there are any failed imports, clicking the Failed Media button will download a CSV with details of the failed items, including their IDs and other information. You can also directly view the imported media in the media library to ensure all fields were correctly imported. And that's it. Importing bulk images from your local device to your WordPress media library is easy with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thanks for watching.